Have you ever wondered how to create or customize a header in WordPress without touching a single line of code? Well, in this quick tutorial, I'll show you exactly how to build a header using the WordPress block editor. Simple, clean, and totally beginner friendly. First, let's access the site editor. From your WordPress dashboard, go to Appearance Greater Than Editor. This is where all the magic happens. The site editor lets you visually design different parts of your website, including your header, using blocks, just like building with digital LEGO pieces. Next, let's locate or create the header template. In the top left corner of the site editor, click the WordPress logo or the site icon to open the navigation panel. You'll see options like patterns and template parts. Go ahead and select template parts. Now, you might already have a header listed here. If you do, click on it to edit and make your changes. You can move elements around, add a navigation menu, insert your logo, or even include a call to action button. Everything's done visually, and updates appear instantly. If you don't have a header yet, no worries. Just click the plus icon and choose Add Template Part, then select Header. Give it a descriptive name, something like Main Header or Homepage Header, so you can easily find it later. Once created, you'll enter the familiar block editor, where you can start designing your header layout, add your site title, navigation menu, and maybe a search block to make it functional. Customize spacing, colors, and typography until it looks perfect. When you're happy with it, click Save, and your new header will automatically apply to your site's templates. And that's it. You've just built a professional looking header in WordPress. No coding required. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to keep exploring the WordPress site editor. It's one of the most powerful tools for designing your site exactly how you imagine it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.